little more. Actually, not too worried about him. I kind of like him.
Mm-hmm.
He might actually be real cute. Beautiful. A little walk and a little canter. No, can't you feel you're getting the wrong lead? Well, stop it before it happens, baby. When you feel you're getting the wrong lead, stop it. I could tell you felt you were getting the wrong lead and you just went with it. Feel it and stop it. No, don't turn them inside so much. There you go. Okay, trot, long and loose, and then we'll go the other way. Just cross the diagonal now, and then we'll canter the other way. Perfect. I think that's good, huh? I think that's good. Trot, nice. Long and loose. Loose rein and pet him. Long rein and pet him. Keep trotting. Keep trotting.
It's nice.
There you go. Good.